Good morning, class 9C. Today is 10th July. I will be doing with you all chapter 6, Archimedes Principle, page number 103, numericals. Question number 5, it says that calculate the mass of the body whose volume is given to you 3 meter cube and relative density is given to you 0.75. Now you will be using the formula for density of substance or solid equal to the relative density multiplied by the density of water. You have to take in kg per meter cube. So you have to take the formula between RD and density. So density of substance is not given to you. RD is 0.75. Density of water is also not given to you. But the density of water should be known to you. That is a known physical quantity. That is value is 1000 kg per meter cube. This is the density of water in SI unit. So you will substitute 1000 kg per meter cube. Now you will solve it. Remove the decimal. 20 will come in the denominator. Now you will solve it by simplifying it. So the density of substance will come out to be 750 kg per meter cube. So density is there. So formula for the density is equal to mass upon volume. Now what will be the formula for the mass? Mass will be equal to density into volume. Density is given to us 750. Volume is 3. Now you will multiply with 3. So the answer will come out to be 2250 kg. Answer of question number 5. Question number 6. It says that the density of mercury is given 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. We have to find the relative density. Now you will be using the expression between density and relative density. So the density of mercury will be equal to relative density multiplied by the density of water. So density of mercury is given in kg per meter cube. This is your SI unit. So you will take the density of water also in SI. So density of mercury is given in the question 13.6. You will substitute into 10 to the power 3. Relative density you have to find it out. Density of water, that is again known to us. It will not be given in the question. So it is 1000 kg per meter cube. So you will substitute over here 1000 kg per meter cube. So 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 equals to RD into 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the power 3 will be cancelled both the side. Therefore relative density will be equal to 13.6. So what will be the unit of relative density? No unit, because this relative density is a pure ratio or pure number. So this is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7. It says that calculate the density of volume 150 centimeter of a piece of iron weigh 1100 gram. So here simple formula, density is equal to mass upon volume you will be using. You have to substitute the value now. Mass is given 1100, volume is given 150, mass is given in gram and volume is given in centimeter cube. Now you will cancel the 0. It will go with the table of 5. This will go 3 times. This will go 22 times. Now when you will divide this 22 by 3, it will come out to be 7.33 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the density of the iron. Answer of question number 7. Question number 8. It's given over here. Calculate the density. We have to find the density of 75 centimeter cube of salt solution whose weight is given to you 82.5 gram. Now formula you will be using, density is equal to mass upon volume. Now you have to substitute the value of mass and volume over here. Mass is given to you 82.5 gram over volume is given to you 75 centimeter cube. Now you will remove the decimal. The 10 will come in the denominator. Then you will simplify. Cancel with the table of 5. It will go 15 times. This will go 1, 6, 5. Again it will go with the table of 5. This will go 3 times. This will go 33 times. This will go 11 times with the table of 3. Now density is 11 by 10. So the density of salt solution will be 1.1 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the answer of numerical number 8. Question number 14. It says that a cork weighs 2.5 gram F in air. So weight of the cork in air is given 2.5 gram F. That is W2 minus W1. When tied to a sinker, the combination is to weigh 20 gram F in water. That means weight of the cork plus sinker in water is given 20 gram F, that is W3. If the sinker alone weigh 25 gram F in water, that is W1. Weight of the sinker in water alone, that is 25 gram F. We have to find the relative density of the cork. Now over here W2 minus W1 is given to us and we have to find W2 minus W3, that is loss in weight of cork in water, because relative density formula is W2 minus W1 upon W2 minus W3. That means relative density formula is weight of cork in air over loss in weight of cork in water. So what we will do it, W2 minus W1 is given to us 2.5. W1 weight of the sinker is given 25. So we'll substitute the value 25 over here. Then you will take this 25 minus 25 on the right hand side. So minus 25 will become plus 25. So W2 will be 27.5 gram F. Now what we have to do? We have to find W2 minus W3. So W2 we have taken it out just now, 27.5. W3 is given in the question, that is 20 gram F. So it will come out to be 7.5 gram F. This will be your W2 minus W3. So relative density is equal to W2 minus W1 over W2 minus W3. Now we will substitute the value. W2 minus W1 is given. You will directly substitute over W2 minus W3. We have taken it out just now, 7.5. Now you will remove the decimal. So this will be 25 over 75. Cancel with the table of 25. This will go 1 time. This will go 3 times. So relative density is equal to 1 by 3. So relative density will be equal to 0.33. It has no unit because it is a pure ratio. Answer of question number 14. Question number 18. It says that the following observation were taken while finding the relative density of the cork. So weight of the sinker in water is given 12.6 gram F, that we have taken W1. Then the weight of the sinker in water plus cork weight in air is given 13.7 gram F, that is W2 we have taken. Then sinker plus cork weight in water 10.5 gram F, that is W3. Now we have to find in this question relative density of the cork and density of the cork. So relative density formula is equal to the weight of the cork in air, weight of cork in air over loss of weight of the cork in water. So that will be equal to W2 minus W1 over W2 minus W3. So this will be the formula. You will substitute the value. Now W2 is given to you 13.7. W1 is given to you 12.6. W2 is given to you 13.7. W3 is given to you 10.5. Now we will subtract it. 13.7 minus 12.6 will be 1.1. 13.7 minus 10.5 will be 3.2. You will remove the decimal. So relative density will be 11 by 32. When you will solve it, it will come out to be 0.34. It has no unit because it is a pure ratio and pure number. Now second part, this is the first part. In second part, we have to find the density of the cork also. So formula will be density of the cork equals to relative density of the cork multiply by the density of water. Now relative density, just now we have calculated 0.34. The density of water in CGS, what you will take, that is known to you. I have told you it will not be given in the question. In numerical, you should know it. In CGS, it will be 1 gram per centimeter cube. So you will put the value of density of water, multiply, it will be 0.34 gram per centimeter cube. So this is your density of the cork. Answer of question number 18. Question number 19, it says that the density of the lead is given 11,400 kg per meter cube. What is its relative density? We have to find the relative density. First part in CGS, second part in SI system. Now, this density of the lead is given in SI. So first of all, we have to change this kg per meter cube into gram per centimeter cube. So density of lead is given 11,400 kg per meter cube. To change into gram per centimeter cube, you will divide by 1000. So you will simplify, cancel the 0, then put the decimal. So the density of lead will be 11.4 gram per centimeter cube in CGS system. The density of water in CGS is 1 gram per centimeter cube. That is known value. Known means you should know it. Now for first part, formula you will be using relative to find out the relative density. You will be using density of lead equal to relative density multiply by the density of water that you will take in CGS. So substitute the density of lead 11.4 gram per centimeter cube equals to RD into density of water in CGS is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So relative density will be 11.4 upon 1. So relative density will be 11.4. This is the first part answer. No unit because it is a pure ratio or a pure number. For part B, you have to find the relative density of lead in SI system. So the density of lead is given in SI 11,400 kg per meter cube equals to RD into density of water in SI system is 1000 kg per meter cube. That is also a known value. That means you should know it. So what you will do? Relative density will be equal to 11,400 over 1000. You will divide by 0. Cancel the 0 for simplification. So relative density will be 11.4. So this is the answer of numerical number 19. Question number 25. It says that a jeweler claims that he makes ornament of pure gold. That is, relative density is 19.3 of pure gold. He sell bangle weighing 25.25 gram in air. The clever customer weigh the bangle immersed in water. That is 23.075 gram in water. With the help of suitable calculation, find the ornament is made up of pure gold or not. So relative density of water is 1. That is known. That means this will not be given in the question. You have to know it. So to find out the relative density of bangle that is made up of gold given by the bangle seller will be equal to W1 upon W1 minus W2 into relative density of liquid. And here the liquid is water. Now let us substitute the value. W1 means weight of the bangle in air. That is 25.25 over W1 25.25 minus W2 is weight of the bangle when immersed in water. That is 23.075. Multiply by the relative density 1. So this will be 25.25. You will subtract. It will be 1.175 multiplied by 1. So the relative density of bangle will come out to be 11.6. And what is the relative density of pure gold is 19.3. That means relative density of pure gold is more than the relative density of bangle given by the seller. So that bangle is impure. That means it is not of pure gold.